Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today let's make mini Madatha Kajas at home. These traditional Indian sweets are made with all-purpose flour or Maida. They are crunchy outside and have soft layers filled with sugar syrup inside. Before making the Madatha Kajas, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post new videos every day. To make the mini Madatha Kajas, in a bowl I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida, and to that I have added 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Rub the ghee into the flour thoroughly. After the ghee and flour have been mixed very well, add in 1/4 cup of water. Make a hard dough out of this flour. Do not add extra water. After you have made a dough, rub some ghee on top of the dough and cover it with a lid and keep it aside for 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's make sugar syrup. To make the sugar syrup, I have taken a saucepan on medium flame. I have added 1 1/4 cup of sugar and half cup of water to the pan. Stir the contents of the pan until sugar dissolves. After the sugar has dissolved, add in 2 cardamoms. The sugar syrup should be sticky like this. Now switch off the flame and add in half teaspoon of lime juice. This prevents the crystallization of sugar syrup. Now cover and keep this aside. Let's work on the dough now. After 15 minutes, spread some flour on the work surface and roll the dough out into a big square or rectangle. Roll the dough into a thin sheets. After you have made a thin sheet of the dough, cut the sides of the dough to make a perfect square or rectangle. Do not discard this. Knead this again and roll it out into a sheet and continue the process. Now I have taken some loose flour and I have dusted the flour onto the sheet. Now I am gently tight rolling the dough like I am showing you. Roll the dough sheet like this. After you have rolled one circle, dust the flour again and roll again. Now dust the flour and roll again. Roll, dust the flour, repeat. Roll, dust the flour and repeat. When you have reached the edge, spread some water on the dough sheet and seal the roll. Stick the roll. Now divide this into 1 centimeter parts like I am showing you. Simply press the kajas with your finger to flatten them. Apply very little pressure and flatten them like I am showing you. Now to deep fry the kajas, I have taken ghee in a pan and I have heated it. When the ghee is hot enough, Drop the kajas one by one into the ghee. Keep the flame on medium and fry them until they become golden brown. This may take up to 7 minutes. In the meantime, roll the remaining dough and make the kajas in the same way. The dough sheet that we have discarded earlier, I have made kajas out of it. Now you can see the kajas have turned golden brown in color. You can deep fry the kajas in refined oil too, but deep frying them in ghee gives them a good taste. Now dunk the hot kajas into the lukewarm sugar syrup and coat them with the sugar syrup like I am showing you. Leave the kajas in the sugar syrup for 5 minutes. You can see our Madatha kajas have turned out very perfectly. Very tasty and simply superb Indian sweets are ready to be served. Definitely try this one at home. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.